Girore migao mar arita kwe Dr. Raymond Omolo kone jo bodaboda mondo yie oti machiegni kod sirikal e nyayo lwasi makare mar bero tijgi. E kinde twak kod jo bodaboda bade ma Kajiado County, Omolo kone sekta mar bodaboda jolo uchumi makare pacho kaendi kendo winjore ojiwe motegno.
We value this kind of encounter because it gives us an opportunity to listen to your challenges. And it also allows us to be able to work closely together to resolve those challenges, particularly within the security sector. I would want to encourage each and every boda rider to register, to be a member. Because when you register, it becomes very easy for the leadership to know who the members are, how many they are, and even for better negotiation and engagement. I've seen kuna vibao za watu wanauza motorbikes. Now we are trying to use electric motorbikes. Of course, there is what we've always used. And these forums and this unity that you have would give you a better bargaining power.
Jolony riwruoge mag saga koro jiwo rowere mondo donjre riwruoge makamago mar jolo gi korka weche mag